This is video 1 on neural networks. A very basic part of a neural network is sort of like the y equals mx plus b, and just say that we know what y should be equal to. We can exclude the b for now and just be sort of like y equals mx, except substitute w for m because w is standing for weights. In this case would be xw approximately equal to 5 is what we want. So if we want xw approximately equal to 5, and we know x is 7, w is 2, and we know that we can change w, then we can change the w until xw is approximately equal to 5. X is 7, w is 2, x times w is 14, but we want it to be approximately equal to 5. So we can change the w by adding or subtracting. If we go negative, okay, that's better. If we do negative 1.5, that's a bit better. Do 1.8 or negative 1.8. We want the negative to be closer to 0 than it is right now. Say 1.3. Okay, now that's getting close to 5. It's 4.89, so that's pretty close. We changed the w so that the output would change. And now if we put in something similar or pretty close to 7, just say 6.8 and run it, see, the answer is still pretty close to 5. A neural network would have a lot of these pieces kind of like this put together, and it would do some other stuff to it as well, but change the w and the end results should change. Whenever it gets close enough to what you want, by changing the thing that you can change that you know about, you can get it closer to what you want. And if it's trained on a lot of examples, it can be used for image recognition, for predicting, basically pretty much anything. It's just a real basic and one of the main parts fundamentally of artificial intelligence neural networks. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe, and just let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know, and what you'd like to see on the next videos. Thanks. Bye.